Hello everyone, welcome to Adobo Test Kitchen. Today I will show you how to make Filipino style pork barbecue. This is made out of thinly sliced pork marinated in special seasonings overnight. Then it is threaded in bamboo skewers and typically grilled over charcoal. So we're going to start by making the marinade with 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1/4 cup of pineapple juice, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 cup of lemon juice, 1 cup of banana ketchup, and 1 cup soy sauce. Mix this up. Okay, the marinade is ready to go. Okay, so here we have 4 pounds of pork shoulder, thinly sliced. So we're just going to pour the marinade. We need to make sure we're going to reserve some of the marinade that we're going to use as part of the glaze. Okay, so we're just going to mix the meat, make sure everything's evenly coated. The pork has been marinating overnight. Now we just need to thread the pork through the bamboo skewers. Try for 4 to 6 slices per skewer. Alright, so we're all done. Out of the 4 pounds of pork shoulder, we got 23 skewers. Okay, now we're going to make the glaze. This is what we're going to baste the pork barbecue with while it's on the grill. So we're going to start off with a cup of honey and a cup of the marinade that we reserved from yesterday. Just going to whisk this. Okay, the glaze is done. Let's get the grill. So now we're going to place the skewers on a hot charcoal grill. We'll cook it directly over high heat for 1 minute, then we'll turn it over and cook for another minute. Next, we'll baste the meat with the barbecue glaze. Afterwards, we'll move the skewers to the cooler parts of the grill to cook all the way through. So there you have it, my recipe for Filipino style pork barbecue. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.